Hi! I am here. Hi, Salem. You want to come up? Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Oh. Welcome to my channel. I am playing 100 Christmas Cats. Here's my Christmas cat who's not cooperating. Hello, everybody. It is time. I got a snack I'm so excited about. It is a soft pretzel. Okay, wait. Are you telling me there's cats in here? Okay. I guess so. Oh, there we are. And it makes a cute sound. Wait. This is gonna be challenging. Oh. Wait, this is so cute. I haven't played this one before. I was like, I should play something Christmassy. 'Tis that season. So, excuse me. I went into my Steam library and I was like, let's take a look. And the very first thing in my library was obviously this, because it's called 100 Christmas Cats. So it was the first thing in my list. I was like, perfect, done. They're all named, by the way, if you haven't noticed. This is so cute. I almost forgot my snack. That was for sure a butt. Tinsel. Almost missed that one. $65 left. I hope there's more levels after this. Myrrh. Noggin. I see feet. Whimsy and Barry. Oh, how cute. That's a good name. Barry. Crisp. I'm really reaching for some of these. Coco. Oh, okay, that one's cute. Alpine. A little foot. Ooh, that was a hard one. This is so festive. That cat's name is Chimney. Ooh, I almost missed you. Exactly a year? Exactly a year of what? Wait, have you been subscribed to me for a year? I feel like it was this time last year that I got affiliate. You can probably hear my voice is still not great. But I am here. Oh yeah. Wow. 12 months. That is amazing. Thank you for sticking around, Lou. Means a lot. Really does. Cannot describe how much it means. Meow. But how are you doing? Yeah, at work. You enjoy watching me? Oh, thank you. How's work going? What time is it there? Like 10 a.m., 8 a.m., 10 a.m.? Man, what am I gonna do if this is the only level? What if this is the whole game? Hey, John? He's not in bed right now. I don't know. Can't see him. I can't see him. He got up and he was coughing. Can you please go check on him?
He's gone rogue. He's breached containment.
John, just go check on him. So our 3-year-old has croup, which is not fun. Aww. I can hear.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Hi, I'm back. Let's see what I missed while I was gone. Not much. Oh my goodness. Everybody's been subscribed to me for a whole year. That's amazing. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. So here's what happened, y'all. Liam is 3 and he has croup currently, which if you're familiar with children's ailments, croup is like the worst, like most disgusting cough. It's really like barky and it's really rough, and it's understandably hard to deal with. So I took him to the doctor today because I heard the cough like start, and I recognized it because he had croup last year, or was it earlier this year? I forget. So I was like, oh no, I remember how difficult that was. It was a very long night. It was awful. So I took him to the doctor and we got him a prescription. So he's already been on his first like dosage, but the doctor was like, even after the first dosage, it might still be a rough night. So he went to sleep, I think, or he like at least went to bed like really nice and quietly. I gave him a bath and like we did our whole routine, and then I guess it was like an hour ago because we skipped his nap in order to go to the doctor today. So I got him down at 7 instead of 8. He needed sleep. Well, he got up, he coughed so hard, he threw up, and that scared him, so that's why, like, I noticed him get up out of bed, and I was like, oh, that's not good. So I had John go check on him, and then John was like, oh no, he's scared, so we got him cleaned up and calmed down. We read, like, 4 stories to him. We read some, like, Daniel Tiger stories. And now he's in bed. And I think he'll be fine. I mean, he's already on the medication. It's just, a cough is just terrible. So, yeah, that's what's been going on. I have no idea how long I was gone. But I apologize for leaving you guys hanging. But also, I don't, because my kid comes first. I have 2 cats left. I found a lantern. So I got the camera right here so I can keep an eye on him and I can hear him. But also, thanks everyone who has subscribed to me for a whole year. That's so crazy to see. Like, it's hard to believe that I reached affiliate like an entire year ago. And also that people have been subbed to me for that long. Like, seriously, thank you so much. It really means so much. Alright. Where are these last 2 kitties? Hi, how are you? You came in at a good time. I was just away on a Be Right Back screen for a very long time. Maybe we need a hint. Okay, this vicinity. Okay. Wait, is that a cat? Oh, that was a cat! Okay. And there's one more. I'm gonna use a hint for that one too, because I've already, like, scanned this place. Oh! Come on. Oh, I see it! Yay! I found it! Why does that say it's locked? Ooh! Leave me alone. Are there not more levels? It's locked. Is there a second one? Man, I have this snack that's sitting here cold now. Oh, this is apparently not working. Okay, well. That was that one. Do I have anything else Christmassy? Let's see here. What would be festive? Oh, Baker Business 3 has a Christmas game. That one's always fun. I have so many cat hidden object games. If y'all see anything in my list here that excites you, let me know. Oh, I did those last year. These two are festive. Hi! How are you? You could hear baby screaming. You could hear Liam screaming. I don't even remember him screaming. Yeah, he's doing better now. He was really just scared, crying. Man, I muted my microphone and I also turned the sound off on the camera that I have here. So, I don't know what I missed, but I am so sorry about that. I guess. This is a Christmas game. I have no idea what it is, though. It's got snow, obviously. That's a Christmas one. I feel like I need multiple people to play that one, though. Cats are not cats. Do I play the cats? Yes. I finished the cats. Now I'm trying to decide what else to play. I could just play Cat Cafe Manager. That's always fun. I forgot I had this here. I have so many snacks. Tonight I have soft pretzel. I brought goat cheese and crackers, but I think I'm gonna put that away. Hang on. So I got soft pretzel, and tonight, after I got my guy into bed, I wanted to do a little baking before I got on. I was like, what's the easiest thing to do? Is I do these, like, I'll show you, it's really sad. I ruined it. I do these, like, Hershey's Kisses on a pretzel with an M&M. I forgot how low I was supposed to bake on. So I baked it too high, and they got, like, hard instead of melty. So the M&Ms, like, absolutely obliterated them going in. So I have this really sad pile of, like, ingredients. This is really taking its time. There we go. Oh, it's been a while since I played. I know, the poor M&Ms. What are you gonna snack on? Meow! Oh, this place is huge now. Oh, there's a cat. There's two cats. I guess I'm petting you. Oh, this one's stanky. Oh my gosh. Getting stuck. Ugh. Ordered a cheese platter. Good taste. You just want some conversation. Oh, I love cosmic brownies. I've been getting the Christmas tree shaped ones. So good. Wow. Everyone's like the same level.
Oh, hey.
I'm so glad I have employees. Somebody really came and peed right in my entrance. Seriously. It was Brigella. That stinker. Being around cats is very chill, as Finley would say. I find them positively freezing. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Wow. I think I had a good day. That was a lot of customers. Oh no. I don't have enough for like anything. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's advertise just to the witches so we can afford some freaking groceries. Not bad. Could be better. Could be worse. That was a really pathetic meow. I was like, meow. I seem to be the only person capable of chatting with people though. Like, I have employees, but they'll like take orders and serve food and prepare food, and they'll even clean up. But they do not chat with customers. I've even seen them like feed the cats. Oh no! Ah, got stuck. So look at this. All these people want to have a little chat. Whoop. I'm like so focused right now.
Oh, hey!
Let's go pet a kitty cat. I want you. I'm pretty sure that I told Hannah in the last one that I'd name a cat after her cat. So this is Rosie. She's a little stinky. Ow, I'll get Laura later. I am busy right now. Both these ladies want to chat. Y'all should order something. Consider that. Ooh! I have more people. It's Kiki. There's Carla.
Oh.
I need all y'all to pay me handsomely because I need to buy groceries. Susie dear, hello. I finally talked with my mums about Witching University situation. We've come to an understanding. Does that mean you stay? It surely does. Carla Lala's Pet Emporium serves the desperate pet owners of Caterwall another day. Ho-ho! I told them what you helped me realize, that I want nothing more than to help animals. I had to whip up 14 different frog boil cures to prove them I already knew all the animal curing potions. I missed the last part of that. They even gave me this cute picture of me as a child playing with this large black cat from the woods. Told me I loved animals even as a tyke. I see now why it was tough for them to understand. Witches have been through difficult times. Non-witching people often judge and shun us. They've been through a lot of pain. Pain they wish to spare me by confining me to witching spaces. To prove to them there are non-witchy folks that are caring, sweet, and loyal, I actually told them to come to It's Meow or Never, dear. That's right, you served my mums. Sorry for not telling you. I'm a bit cheeky, aren't I? When I told them you were my friend, and that I have many other friends who help me, like Bonner, Finley, and Mateo, they got less worried. Thank you, Susie, for helping the cats and for helping the people of Caterwall. There is truly nobody like you. Sure there are. You for starters. You really think so? That is a truly lovely thought, Susie. A thought I will cherish. My mums are treating me to a magic dinner tonight. It is like normal dinner, but more magic. So I should be going, dear. I already look forward to when I next see you, Susie. Bye! Oh, sweet. Interesting. I'm gonna make Salem a networker. That was cute. Okay. There we go. We'll buy some groceries. I need lettuce, ice cream. Ooh, I'm running low on a lot of things. $1. No. See, this is just sad. I love that sound. The chop 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 sound. Oh, she was taking care of it. Okay. Hi, you. Thanks for calling. I'll be right over. Ooh, so many people want to chat. You don't like my chair? Sorry. If only I could teach my employees chatting skills. Susie, could you turn around for a minute? You turn around. You hear Finley rustling behind you. Peek, obviously. Tisk tisk, you're as bad as the cats. Well, so much for the surprise. Anyway, surprise, I made you a thing. Finley hands you a USB drive. The words Susie and the Cool Cats is written on it with a pink Sharpie. I made you and the cats a song. Although honestly, I don't know that I could have made it without you all. Them years really meant a lot to me. The truth is, I feel like I wasn't worthy of love and attention unless I made something good. Whatever good means, you know? Who even knows? I ended up talking it over with Erin, my big sis. I always sort of felt guilty towards her. She had to take care of me when I was a kid, and her music career didn't go anywhere. She never moved to the city or anything. She called me silly, of course. Erin loves music, but never wanted to be a musician. She wanted to be a teacher. And now she's living her dream. And in a way, so am I, aren't I? I work on my music, surrounded by cats. The cats don't care if I make hits or duds. They begrudgingly accept your affection regardless of how many likes or views or industry attention you get, you know? You're a lot like the cats in that way, Susie. Thank you so much for being my friend. And for helping me see that. I matter, regardless of my creative output. Thank you for being my friend, Finley. No, thank you. Come on. We'll be exchanging thank yous forever this way. I had so much fun making this track. I've decided I won't post this online. This one's just for you. And for me, too. I'll be seeing you back here real soon. I think I might actually just take it easy and not work sometimes. Until then, Susie. Huh. I keep getting strange stray lures when I fully level up my friends. Complex grape juice. Oh my gosh. We now serve wine here. There's nothing I needed, right? No. Is there anything festive? I don't have enough money for a nice toilet. Come on. I like the pink things. Not very festive. One of my sad little treats. I already bought, like, there's only one Christmassy thing. That's depressing. Let's buy the pink carpet and the pink floral wallpaper. I love it! Oh my gosh! I love it. Oh, much better. It needed to be pink. Oh! Can I undo? Is there an undo mode? Is that a thing that I can do? There we go. There we go. Why does that look like that? Huh. That's fine. Okay. Oh, thank you, Hannah. I think it's looking good. There's a lot more pink. And I like pink. Oh, it didn't do well. I will.
Hi, viewers. Hi, Maggie. Let's see.
He was just moving a little bit.
Vomit and garlic is a combination.
Maggie says hi, Mr. Susie, and Hannah says hi, John. Yes, you know Hannah. It's the same Hannah I always talk to. He has a sister named Hannah. So every time I say, I was talking to Hannah, he's like, my sister? I'm like, no, my friend. Duh. Why was the witch mad? I don't know. I honestly did not pay attention. Why are they always mad? I wish I could tell you. TBH, it's really hard to keep people happy. There we go. Hey, Tori. Thought we had a new bathroom now? We do. We have a nicer bathroom. It's not the best bathroom, but it's much nicer. People don't complain every time they use it now. I'm missing ham. One more thing I have to go buy. Oh my gosh. So much conversation needed. Oh. Bonner is here. Ho ho ho. Ha ha ha. Susie, you wee little thing. Come here for a big bad Bonner hug. Bonner holds you close. Why does the big bad hug feel so good? Remember a while back I got in a row with Gavin. When you told me to do what made me happiest, I immediately hopped on my boat and set off. But I didn't feel free or adventurous. I just felt a bit lonely, in fact. I sailed back that same night and talked with Gavin. Getting older can be a scary thing, Susie. I feel like I'm losing things. People leave, experiences pass. Now I'm starting to lose some of my memories to boot. But over my long life, I've gained lots too. My beautiful Gavin, for instance, and Caterwall, your gran, and you too. Can't do nothing to stop my body from aging. But I can try not to lose sight of what I gained. You helped me realize that, Susie. This might have been your best story yet. Ha 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 ha. Don't go retailing that one now, will ya? This story's just for you. I went to the hospital with Gavin. Swear he was more scared than me. The man was shaken like an Adam's apple, struggling against a turtleneck. I'm okay for right now, just a little hazy at times. But we've been told to keep an eye out for it. Good thing I've always called Gavin Four Eyes, ha. Doctor said I ought to take fewer shifts at work. It'll be hard, but I don't want to endanger the folks I ferry. Oh my gosh. You best believe I'll spend a lot of that free time here. Your other customers will be begging me to leave. That didn't sound as good as I thought it would. Seeing it's Meow or Never now, I still can't believe it all started out as some empty field I met you at. You've made Caterwall a better place, Susie. Thank you for helping me take my mind off my troubles. With cats! I need to get going, Susie. Not to have a happy little cry in Gavin's teeny tiny chest or anything. Nothing of the sort. I'm missing so much. Tori, I haven't seen you in a while. Kept mentioning you on chat the other day when watching somebody stream Captain Curse every time someone said, what do you mean I had to think of you? Oh, I know. Wow, another interesting strailer. Oops. Been cranky all day. Unfortunately, the cat and pig meals are annoying me today. Alright, I'll say hi to Salem for you. Have a good evening. The game has a lot of funny memes. He did seem to like that phrase, huh? Okay, let's see. Let's go refill some food. The kitties are sleeping. Oh, we were usually in the field when we see the level ups. These were character level ups. What? Yeah. He seems upset. Yeah. Just go check on him. Poor baby. I should probably just get off. Alright, I am gonna go ahead and hop off. Thank you guys so much for being with me. Save my game. And I'll see y'all next time. I know, I feel bad for him. Alright, everybody. Have a good rest of your evening, and goodbye!